back, baby. I had a dream about you last night. Your eyes were shining so bright.
Baby, won't you come my way? Baby, won't you come my way?
All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit. Goddamn. Cancel out my ex, I put a line through that bitch.
I promise that you won't want it. Waiting.
Is it nasty if I want to work my tongue on that click? Fuck around and smack you in the face with that dick?
Is it nasty that I want to put some ice cream on your tits, put some honey on your pussy, then I slurp that bitch?
Is it nasty that I want to pick you up on my shoulders, eat that pussy up for lunch, and then you come up in my soul? Is it nasty if I want to pull in and pull out? Freaky nigga girl, you can come and squirt up in my mouth.
Like that. Waterfall, drop, drop, drop. You got me touching on your body. To say that we're in love is dangerous.
She got that wet, got that drip, got that super soak. I hit that.
Girl taught you how to do that trick with your spit. You so nasty, you so nasty.
Can I put your ass on my dick and pose on the shit? Okay, now freak my shit.